If you're looking for a simple, easy, and quick fix snack for breakfast or your evening tea, you need to try out these homemade, delicious, super fluffy lemon tea scones, which are very simple and easy to make with locally available ingredients, and it doesn't take much time. This recipe is so simple, anybody can make it at home. So if you want to know how I made this, keep watching and watch the video up to the end. So the key ingredient here is flour. I have all-purpose flour, 3 cups already sifted. So I'm going to add in my margarine. You can use butter, it calls for cold margarine. I'm using this blender to blend the margarine into my flour. If you don't have this fancy blender, you can simply just rub it using your hands, no wahala. This blender is somehow taking my time, so I'm just going to use my hands. My hands are clean. Just rub the margarine into the flour until it all dissolves and you have that crumbly, the sandy texture. And this is just okay. It's done. This is the consistency you're looking for. After your margarine is well mixed, add in your sugar. This is a 1/4 cup of sugar. Then go in lemon zest, and this is a baking powder, 2 teaspoons. Using your hands, mix them well and ensure it's well combined. Once done, make a well. Then let's make our wet ingredient. I'm going to use 2 eggs. Just crack your eggs in a separate bowl and whisk them. Add your milk into the eggs mixture. I'm going to use 3/4 cup. Then give it a good whisk to ensure it's all mixed. Then take your wet ingredient and add it in the well you created. Add it little by little. I'm using cold ingredients. Both eggs and milk are cold, so I've just added the vanilla. Then bring the flour to the wet ingredient as you fold it to form a rough dough. Don't overwork your dough. You don't want a firm dough here. Just fold it until it's just combined. Guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another amazing recipes. And if you are stopping here for the first time and you like what you're seeing, kindly consider subscribing for more amazing recipes like this. And don't forget to click on that like button to support my channel and watch the video up to the end. Thank you. Once done with that step, transfer your dough into a floured worktop and sprinkle some flour on top of the dough with a rolling pin. You can use a rolling pin or you can just use your hand to flatten the dough. Don't spread it too thin because we are looking for a height here. I will use this cookie cutter to shape my scones. You can cut them into your desired shape or even the size. Me, I'll go for this size. And when you're shaping them, make sure you cut them of the same size so that they cook evenly at the same time. And this is the size I'm going for. Transfer them into a baking tray lined with parchment paper and place them close to each other so they can support each other while baking to get height. Bring together the offcuts, then continue with the same process. Roll them out, then cut them, and this process will continue until all the dough is done, until the last one. Guys, if you haven't liked this video up to this point, what are you still waiting for? Kindly click that like button and give me a thumbs up. And if you like this kind of content and you haven't subscribed, kindly consider subscribing for more amazing recipes. And watch the video up to the end. Don't miss each and every step. Then we're going to egg wash our scones. This is the same liquid that was left over from the mix of egg and milk. The egg wash will make our scones look so beautiful, and also it helps in binding the topping. Like I'm gonna use the sesame seed. I love sesame seed and I I like to top it up in most of my bakings, most so when I have it. Sesame seed is very nutritious. It has a good source of protein, fiber, and numerous vitamins and minerals, which will make my scones very nutritious and rich in fiber, which is so good with digestion. And this is totally optional. You can add any toppings of your choice. I've done a video here of coconut scones, and the toppings were desiccated coconut. You'll check it on the link below. Once done, take it to your preheated oven and set your oven to 180 degree for 15 minutes. And our scones has been in and out of the oven, smelling evenly and nicely done. Well done. Look at the cracky, nice and pillowy. Let your scones cool, then enjoy it with your favorite beverage. I served mine with coffee and I love it darker and frothy. This was an evening coffee. You can serve it any time of the day. As you can see, it's so simple, doesn't take much time. I hope you've learned something out of this tutorial. Grab this recipe and try it at home and enjoy with your family. Suppose you try it, don't forget to bring back your feedback. Look at it, so fluffy, it's very soft inside. It was nice having you around. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you find this kind of content useful. And I hope to see you in my next happy baking.